YouTube, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be showing you guys how to install this pedal commander that you can get off Amazon. We're going to be installing it on the charger. It is raining out, so I'm going to try to keep the camera out of the rain. But yeah, so I'm going to show you what to do. Basically, you're going to unplug the switch that's on your pedal for your throttle. You're going to plug it into one of these, and then you're going to plug this into where you took that one out of. That's basically how you plug it in and plug it up. But yeah, so we're gonna get to that right now. All right, so we're gonna pull off the panel that's down here.
You actually can see it pretty good.
Yeah, so we're gonna pull this panel off right here. So basically there is a light attached to it, so when you pop this off, just be careful. So just go under, just gently pop that. Nope, there's one more up here, if you show them that. One more right there that you can't really see.
For right now.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Like that. Like I said, there's a light attached to that, so just be careful. Boom. All these wires are for the flame kit that we just installed.
We'll upload a clip right here.
So this right here, guys, you're gonna pull this off. So I'm gonna do that real quick while the camera gets out of my face. Fuck. This is like a crazy ass stance, dude.
Basically, one end of this is going into the harness, and then this is one, well, vice versa, but one's for the pedal and one's for the harness, and it's pretty much all the control is going to this thing.
So this is where it plugs in, right here.
Yep.
And you're gonna use this one here with the little white thing. So boom, plug it in. Now you take the other cable and the cable that you removed. I'm probably so loud.
Harness.
You plug it into here.
Yep.
It's pretty self-explanatory. Clip that in, just like that. And now what you're gonna want to do is button all that up, like zip tie it and put it under that shield.
And then we're gonna probably route this up to like here or something.
Yeah.
Just putting that shield back on.
So the shield's back on.
Anyway, we're trying to find a spot to route the wire up to get the module about like right here. Then we're gonna like Velcro it in.
All right, guys. So look, I just pushed it through here.
It's gonna go through the steering wheel column.
And then you can mount it. Got a little dirty in there. Got it linked up with the phone, so just download the app,
Pedal Commander.
and then what did you go do from there?
You have to sign in.
Set up device.
Yeah, set up the device. There's a serial number that comes on the back of this, so
Yep.
make sure you don't go crazy. So I'm probably just gonna keep it on Sport Plus.
Yep. So now we're gonna mount this up. You want to hold the camera, and I'll mount it for you. Just let me know where you want it. I think we should go here personally, but it's up to you.
No, just go down there.
See it, because I mean you're controlling it all from the app.
Yeah, just go like there.
Yep, I'm gonna pass this over to bro. Alright, so we got it mounted up right there with some Velcro, so you easily could take it off if you wanted to. Right now we have it in what, sport?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you definitely feel it.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, now we're in Sport Plus. Show Sport Plus down there, let's see.
I'm like not even like 10% on the throttle.
So it did do something?
Yeah, like this is like, that's 10% right here.
Yeah.
So I don't know like in what situation I'm gonna ever need Sport Plus. That feels so good. Holy shit. Bro, I literally am like, I haven't even gone to 20% throttle yet.
Yeah.
But I can feel the throttle response like the Scat, which is good. I think I like Sport Plus more though.
Yeah.
This does feel good though. How does it sound with the windows down? It has an up and down, like, oh, there's a, look at this.
Yeah.
So I'm adding, so it's plus 2. Should I try these or no?
Pump that bitch up, bruh.
Should I put it in default?
Like I said, I usually do like vlog content, so if you guys are not a subscriber yet, make sure you drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more videos. We'll let you know when we get some good settings for this shit. But yeah, guys, all right, so that wraps up the video. If you guys want to install one of these pedal commanders, it was pretty easy. We installed it in like 5 minutes or something. Yeah, it took like 5 minutes, super easy. Download the app. All right, guys, well, that's been it for this video. Peace.